Most people don't want to hire a lawyer. You've been in an accident. It can be scary.
Meet attorney Mike Glisson. Download this free injury handbook that answers questions like these. Why do I need a lawyer when I've been in an accident with a truck?
In an accident like this, insurance companies for semi-tractor trailers, unlike a regular auto accident, they will actually go out to the scene. You'll see adjusters and lawyers at these scenes. I represented the family of a man that was on a motorcycle and a semi crossed in front of him, and that very day the lawyers were there collecting evidence at the scene. So there's an army of people working against you, and you need an excellent army yourself, a great team, a law firm that has all the resources that can help you and fight these companies.
We answer questions like these and more.
And file your lawsuit right away to preserve evidence, to get everything that you need to protect your case while you're trying to recover from this accident.
Download this free report, Why Experience Matters When Hiring a Personal Injury Law Firm. Download this free report now.